Okay, so we're out in the shed again, and this time I want to make a little video about a GM starter. The last one we did was this Ford out of a Taurus. This one's off of like a Chevy, like a 305, some kind of a V8, maybe a 350. And we have our jumper cables connected to one of our old batteries here, and we're gonna connect this up and see how it works. So I'm going to take my negative and hook it to the starter case, and then take the red one and connect it to the battery plus and to the solenoid. So what we should hopefully see is we'll see the solenoid turn on and kick out the gear, and then the motor start to turn, and that's what would start the car. So here we go. Pretty cool. Well, obviously this one's been replaced. It's pretty rough, so it's probably not in great shape, but cool enough to do demonstrations with. So if you have any questions, any comments, post them below, and thanks for watching.